Hi, my name is Don Bowman. I'm here to talk about secure exposed access, a technique we've pioneered here at Agillicus that involves a combination of a user-based firewall and a workload-based firewall that will allow you to securely expose some perhaps not very secure service that runs inside your building, inside your network, as if it were on the public network, as if it were on the public internet. This allows bring your own device. It allows any device, any user, any location, any time without compromising your security. Let's talk about how it works. So you have a user. And they have some device. They're on some internet somewhere. Could be a mobile device on a mobile network, could be on their home network, could be whatever. And what we're introducing is a layer that they can log into using a protocol called OpenID Connect. You've used this before when you see sign in with GitHub or sign in with Google or sign in with LinkedIn, these types of things. And what it does, we've implemented a system that federates it so that it can expose Active Directory or expose Google or any OpenID Connect. So the user logs in against this system. In our system, in our cloud, we have a ingress system, and this implements TLS. So we handle the certificate management, the public IP address, the high availability, the DDoS protection, etc. After this, it implements something that is a user-based firewall. It uses that concept of identity. We know who you are from this system, and we know your role. You're an owner, you're an editor, etc. of this application. This allows us to implement something called role-based access control. So only connections through this system are allowed if the user is allowed to go to the destination. Unauthenticated users, no access. Users that are authenticated but don't have a role for it, no access. And then the second thing is we then put it through a technology called a web application firewall. And this allows you to protect against cross-site scripting attacks, clickjacking, things of that nature, common web vulnerabilities that many applications have. From here, it goes over the public internet into your building. And I know you're going to be concerned here. Let's talk about that. So first, you obviously have your firewall at the door. This is what's preventing the user from directly accessing the system. Inside here, you have a VPN. You may allow some users to use the system on the VPN today, but did you know that that has other problems? It brings them entirely into your environment. Now they can access other things. The VPN is difficult to maintain. Not all devices support it. It challenges you bring your own device strategy. In here, you've got this application that you want people to be able to access from anywhere, but they can't currently. And you implement in your VPN a firewall rule allowing only that destination. So the VPN can't go anywhere else. This application turns around and has east-west control. So what we're doing is in this layer, we're using a technology called SPIFFE. This is a type of identity on workloads. It allows you to put a cryptography header on each connection to know who it is. And we're doing workload-based security here. We're guaranteeing that we're only connecting to that system and it is who it says it is without using any complicated layer 3 rules being updated in this firewall each time. And then this side, we've got a user-based firewall. So why would you want to do this, you ask? Well, you may have this system here. Maybe it's your HR system or your benefits management, payroll. It could be just even vacation planning. And you want to give access to everybody that works with you. But some of those people are temps or contractors. They may not have a desk in this facility. You may not even want to create accounts for them in Active Directory. That causes them to become a named user. It increases your cost. You want them to be able to access this system from anywhere, but you're concerned. You know this device, this application really isn't internet ready. And you're concerned because it has unfettered access here. In this model, without making any changes to the inside of your network, we make this application behave as if it's on the public internet with an exceptionally strong layer here. Only authenticated user traffic hits it. There's no scans. Unauthenticated users can't hit it. Users that don't have a role can't hit it. Users that are only able to do viewing can only do get app. They can't do posts. This is exactly what you want. You want this application to be on the internet with all of this security. This implements your SIM, and your logging, your DDoS protection. It protects the application, and it protects your costs. Anyway, thanks very much. Let me know in the comments down below if this worked for you. Bye-bye.